With our hands we press onward to the plow. Never turning back, we face the mystery far beyond. With our hands we will shape each other's stories. We will write the vision down, never tire until it's done. With our hands we will put our weapons down. We will care for the earth. We will speak a word of peace. With our hands we will wash each other's feet. We will break the bread of justice. We will share the cup of dreams. With our hands, we'll reach out to one another.
By participating in this project, we accomplished exactly what we set out to do. We learned the importance of taking care of our aina and how important hard work along with teamwork is. All the volunteers that went to work on the Kawainui Marsh learned valuable lessons that they will have with them for the rest of their lives. This experience was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for many volunteers. The students enjoyed themselves thoroughly, and hopefully many of them will be able to participate again next year. The youth participants had different jobs that they completed, including raking leaves and monkey pots, clearing tree debris, starting irrigation canals for future loʻi patches, and cutting down unnecessary tree branches. The adult participants made sure that the students worked safely and were there to help the students' leaders if we needed them. A total of 112 students from our school participated in the community service project. Every student who participated worked between 4 hours and 15 minutes and 4 hours and 35 minutes. Yes, we did have some minor challenges with this project. The weather forced us to postpone our field trip twice. We also realized that we didn't have enough work gloves for every student, so we had students with no gloves do raking and carrying tarps filled with branches. As a group, we faced some minor problems, such as some students acquired cuts while working at Kawainui Marsh. We tended to these cuts and gave them jobs that didn't get it dirty. Some students noticed that there were a lot of centipedes when the students were moving the debris, so we assigned a student to dispose of them. There were also a lot of mice that would jump out and startle us. The most important lessons that we learned by both the students as well as the adult chaperones were that the job is always easier when done together. We also learned that the Hawaiians took pride in the work that they did to take care of the aina. We realized that we were only experiencing a small part of how our ancestors spent their day and how hardworking they were. Some advice that we would offer is to make sure that everyone works as a team, because when everyone works as a team, the job is completed faster and more efficiently. Also, that the volunteers know that they will have a lot of work to do and that they are prepared to work.